Whether you're a professional filmmaker looking for the ultimate 6K powerhouse, a traveler looking for a sub 250-gram drone that doesn't need FAA registration, or you're just trying to capture incredible cinematic footage on a budget, 2026 has been an insane year for drone technology. With features like AI tracking, built-in LiDAR obstacle sensing, and massive 1-inch sensors on tiny frames, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. But don't worry, we've done the testing for you. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best drones of 2026 so you can find the perfect eye in the sky. To make things easy, I've placed the exact product links with the best current pricing right down in the description below, so feel free to check those out as we go. Let's jump right into number 5. 5. Ruco U11 Mini 4K RC3. If you're looking for the ultimate hassle-free drone experience, this Ruco drone is a total game changer. My absolute favorite feature has to be the integrated 5.5-inch 1080p touchscreen controller. You don't need to tether your phone or deal with messy cables, making it perfect for quick, distraction-free takeoffs. Despite weighing under 249 grams, which means no FAA registration or remote ID required, this little powerhouse packs a serious punch. You're getting stunning 8K photos and buttery smooth 4K video thanks to the 3-axis mechanical gimbal, an incredible 20,000-foot transmission range, and a massive 64 minutes of total flight time with the 2 included smart batteries. It is incredibly stable and beginner-friendly, with AI takeoff and quadruple positioning, so you never have to worry about losing control. Whether you're buying it for yourself to capture family weekend trips or gifting it for Father's Day or graduation, it is ready to fly right out of the box and absolutely worth it. Number 4. Bing Chat AE Pro Max. If you're looking for an absolute powerhouse in the skies for 2026, the Bing Chat AE Pro Series drone is a complete game changer. This drone is packed with innovative features you won't find anywhere else, like a unique payload release function and a 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance system for a safer, more versatile flight. Upgraded with a carbon fiber finish, it features a massive 5-mile range, a towering 2,624-foot altitude limit, and a stunning 4K HD camera equipped with a 3-axis gimbal and EIS anti-shake for buttery smooth footage day or night. But where it really blows the competition away is the flight time, boasting a massive 84 minutes across 2 batteries, outlasting even the DJI Mini 5 Pro in real dynamic flight duration. Controlling it is an absolute dream thanks to the new Android-powered touchscreen controller, which essentially doubles as a full Google Play-supported tablet. Best of all, it's fully FAA certified and backed by a solid 1-year free replacement quality guarantee, 3 years of flight support, and a US-based local warehouse for low-cost parts. Just remember to keep it away from the trees, and this drone will easily deliver the ultimate professional filming experience. 3. Holystone HS600D. If you're looking for a gift that truly delivers real quality, the Holystone HS600D is an absolute standout. What immediately caught my eye is the camera setup. It's packing a 1/2-inch Sony CMOS sensor and a bright f1.8 aperture, which means you're getting gorgeous, publish-ready 4K HDR video and ultra-crisp 48-megapixel photos, even when the lighting isn't perfect. But great image quality doesn't mean much without stability, and this drone absolutely nails it. Between the reinforced frame, powerful motors, and a 3-axis gimbal paired with EIS, your footage stays incredibly smooth even in level 6 winds. Best of all, it is incredibly beginner-friendly. Thanks to multi-sensor safety features like TOF and optical flow positioning, plus smart automatic altitude limits, it feels completely stable and stress-free to fly right out of the box. Add in a massive 20,000-foot ultra-range transmission that cuts out shaky Wi-Fi interference, a whopping 80 minutes of total flight time, and one-tap cinematic smart modes, and you have a pro-level drone that anyone can master. Plus, Holystone includes dedicated support and video guides, giving you total peace of mind from your very first takeoff. 2. Potensic DSDR-23A. If you're looking for a serious upgrade to your aerial content game without the headache of FAA registration, the Potensic Atom 2 is an absolute game changer. Weighing in at under 249 grams, this compact powerhouse packs a massive punch with a half-punch Sony sensor that captures stunning 48 megapixels of photos and buttery smooth 4K HDR video, all stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal. Low-light shooting is fantastic thanks to the f1.8 aperture. And with the Fly More combo, you get a quick-charging hub that juices up 3 batteries simultaneously in just 1.3 hours, giving you a massive 96 minutes of total flight time. On top of that, the upgraded PixSync 4.0 tech pushes a crystal-clear 1080p live view from up to 10 kilometers away. Whether you're a beginner relying on its bulletproof smart return to home and GNSS positioning, or a creator utilizing AI tracking and cinematic modes like dolly zoom and 2.7K vertical shooting for socials, the Atom 2 delivers premium performance in a travel-friendly package. Highly recommended. 1. DJI Mini 3. If you're looking for the ultimate beginner-friendly drone that punches way above its weight class, the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo is an absolute game-changer. Weighing in under 249 grams, you can skip the hassle of FAA registration and remote ID entirely if you're just flying for fun. But don't let its tiny size fool you. This powerhouse shoots stunning 4K HDR video with dual native ISO fusion for crisp day and night shots, and it features true vertical shooting, so your footage is instantly ready for TikTok or Instagram Reels. It's incredibly stable thanks to level 5 wind resistance and a 3-axis gimbal. And it boasts a massive 10-kilometer HD video transmission range to let you explore further. Plus, this specific combo is a massive value upgrade. You get 2 extra batteries for up to 114 minutes of total flight time, a shoulder bag, a charging hub, and the premium DJI RC controller with a gorgeous built-in 5.5-inch screen, so you don't have to drain your phone battery while flying. For anyone wanting pro-level aerial content without the pro-level headache, this is the kit to get. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best drones of 2026. Whether you're trying to avoid local registration rules with a sub-250-gram powerhouse or upgrading to a full commercial workhorse, there has never been a better time to get up into the air. If you want to check out the current pricing, full specs, or grab one of these beasts for yourself, I've dropped all the product links in the description below. Before you fly off, hit that like button if this video helped you out, and subscribe to the channel for more gear reviews and tech roundups. Let me know in the comments which drone you're adding to your kit this year. Safe flying, and we'll see you in the next one.